There are many reasons why people gain belly fat, including poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress. Improving nutrition, increasing activity, reducing stress, and making other lifestyle changes can all help people lose unwanted belly fat. Drink this early in the morning and say goodbye to belly fat in just 2 weeks. About 80 to 90% of people who are trying to lose weight fail to achieve their goals, and it's because of the inefficient diets you can find online. We're going to show you how to prepare a simple drink that will boost your digestion and metabolism and help you burn fat at fast rate. One of the main reasons for excess belly fat is the accumulation of toxins in the body. So by cleansing your body of toxins and chemicals, you will be able to start losing weight again. The excess belly fat is the most dangerous and most difficult type of fat to lose. Experts have linked this type of fat with diabetes and cardiovascular problem, which is why you need to get rid of it as soon as possible. This drink we have will cut through your excess belly fat and reduce the risk of numerous disease and conditions. Just drink this every day for 2 weeks and you can easily lose up to 10 pounds. The best part is, it is very simple and easy to prepare, it won't take much of your time. Besides promoting weight loss, this drink will also improve your overall health. And you don't have to work out like those bodybuilders and gymnasts do. This drink is made of only a few natural ingredients which are easily available and cheap, and you can find it right there in your kitchen. These ingredients can promote weight loss and regulate your digestion while giving nice boost to your metabolism as well. Why it is important? Because the faster your metabolism, the faster your body processes food and soaks up necessary nutrients while getting rid of junk. Lemons are amazing for your health. Not only do they help protect your immune system and alkalize your body, but they also work to boost your metabolism and aid with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar increases your body's metabolic rate, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently, which in turn helps your body use fat as form of energy instead of storing it. It acts as an appetite suppressant, preventing you from overeating. Like lemons, cinnamon also helps boost your metabolism, which helps with weight loss. More specifically, cinnamon seems to target the abdominal fat on your body more than other areas. Cinnamon is also thought to boost metabolism because your body uses more energy to process the spice than it does for other foods. Cinnamon is said to increase insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar, both key components for losing weight and controlling type 2 diabetes. Honey is a great source to boost metabolism. It contains antioxidants that boost heart health and metabolism, and better metabolism means that your body will work more efficiently when it comes to burning fat, thus quickening the process of weight loss. Many people around the world, especially women, have tried this amazing 5-ingredient drink and they're amazed by the results. Just consume this drink every morning on an empty stomach, it will give you astounding results. The first results should be visible after only a few days. Here are the ingredients: water, lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, raw honey, cinnamon powder. How to prepare. First, you prepare 250 milliliters of water at room temperature. Then add 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Start mixing them well. Make sure to mix it very well because these ingredients, especially the cinnamon, tends to seldom at the bottom of the cup. Get this detox drink every morning before you eat to flush out the toxins and get rid of the excess belly fat. You can drink 1 cup of this drink in the morning and prepare another one later in the day. However, you can prepare a large amount of this beverage and store it in refrigerator, but the best way is to prepare it fresh because it tastes better. Do this every morning on empty stomach for 2 weeks to see better results. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more healthy pie tips.